what time of these? It's Zobie Fright back time. We're gonna get into this, guys. I'm very excited. Remember, guys, there's the standard box, there's the director's cut when ordering these boxes. The standard box is $40 and the director's cut is $60, so you get an extra autograph in every box if you get the director's cut. Let's tear this sucker in and let's get to it. Remember, guys, use my code Invader10 if you want to save 10% off on either the standard box or the director's cut next time it comes around. This box sold out fast, so I'm very happy to show you what's inside, and I hope you guys are too. We got the beautiful Psycho shirt. Very, very cool, very detailed. I love this. This has got to be the best one so far. Definitely gonna be wearing this. I love this design very, very much. Very awesome. We got the knife, sorry, covering it a little bit, but the blood on the knife, and you got Psycho there, and this is very cool to have. Thank you for this. This is amazing. Very quality is there as always with these shirts. I hope in the future that there will be women's shirts, because I get strangled a little bit, but that's not their fault. Again, I'm giving my honest reviews in these videos. I just want a women's cut t-shirt. I love wearing these though. Like, I don't care if I get strangled, but these are very cool shirts to wear, and you got the other dude's face in there. Very, very cool. Yeah, Alfred Hitchcock shirt. Very awesome. Next, a comic book of Churchill Manor. I think this is exclusive to Zobie. I'm very kind of like anxious to see this, because I have not seen anything really like this in these boxes before. So we're gonna pop this open. Sorry, tilting the camera everywhere. But this is a good comic book, I guess. Let's see what's inside. I love whoever did the artwork for this. And it's very, very nice. Again, you get the artist signatures on the cover. And this is only exclusive to Zobie. So, very, very cool. I love getting stuff like this. I've gotten comic books before in boxes, but this is honestly very detailed comic book. So I'm loving it. Most of these comic books that come in boxes, they're just kind of eh. But this one's awesome. I love it. Next item we got here. Pen. Trying to pull out the pen back. We got Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Very, very good detail on this pen. Corey Kaufman, what up? He does pins for these boxes. I'm going to do this one-handed. Hey, you guys want, go check the Zobie out. They got other boxes as always. Sorry. Doing this one-handed is not that easy, but here you guys can see it a little bit better. I have built myself, well, not built, but been putting pins on my pin board lately from these boxes, because I love these boxes to death. Like, they're very, very good pins. so why not put them up on the billboard? So we got 84 out of 100. So this one's very, very rare, which is very, very good. Should I put it on my pen board right now for you guys? Let's go do it. Let's go do it. We'll put them right there for now. Yeah, there you go. So those are all my pins from Zobie and Bam Box, and I got some Fright Crate ones. This one's from Bam. These were from a different one. Bam. No, Fright Crate. Yeah, that one's Fright Crate. These are Zobies. So you can see the difference between quality in these pins compared. I'm not saying Bam's bad, but like, I don't know. I just like their pens better. And Fright Crate does an awesome job on their pens too. If you haven't checked their mystery boxes out, they're great too. Alright, next item. Got a little sidetracked there. This is one of the autographs. Got Chucky, good guy doll. As always, JSA authenticated, and this one was witnessed by JSA in person, so very cool. Loving it. Very, very cool. I have not had, I'm surprised I have not gotten anything by this guy yet. He is the voice of the good guy doll. Not the creepy one, but like the regular doll voice. And this is quote is cool because you could get it signed by the guy that played the kid in Child's Play 2. I think his name's Alex. I'm gonna get that so messed up if I do this. Yeah, I think his name's Alex. I'm new into this stuff, guys, so don't make fun of me too bad. And that's Ed. I forgot his last name. But I know his name's Ed. And this is the other autograph we got, guys. Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. I'm gonna take this out of the bloody prop protector. Zobie's has these new pop protectors. They're all bloody and stuff, which is very cool. That's the guy that autographed it. Mark Steinger, I think that's how you say his name. Again, please don't come for me in the comments. But that's him. You guys could get a good look. I think this is the Scarecrow. Yep, it says it right there. Very, very cool. I'm gonna take this out of the box so you guys can see it better. Hang on, guys. Sorry. Need 2 hands for this one. So there you go. That's a very good signature. Then you get the JSA code on the side. And then there's the other pops in the series. Very, very nice. See them on the side. You don't want to take your signed pops out of the box, but at least you can have like a better look at them on the side and stuff. I love the Scarecrow and design on this. That's very cool. I haven't seen the movie. I got the movie from the library today though. I might do a review later. So keep a lookout on that one. I've been always saying I'm gonna do movie reviews on this channel and I never have. So let's do that later. That'll be fun. And that, so this is an awesome Zobie box, I gotta say, 10 out of 10. Here's some extra stuff you get from ordering the box. I'm gonna slide that over. You get these JSA coupons, which are 10% off. I don't know if these good are send-ins or just just see them in person. I used these at the C2E2 video. If you guys want to check that out, I just posted that one. But I used these in person, but I don't know if they're good at send-ins. That would be a great question to ask. But, and also we got a bonus coupon for $7 a pop, which I use all the time. I need to post my affiliate link one of these days on these videos because I do have it. I've just been lazy to post them. But you get 5% off. So this is a spoiler sheet. There's the 2 different color pops, I'm guessing, that you get in Scary Stories Tell in the Dark, the Scarecrow. And then you got Eden Gross. Yeah, I knew his nickname was Ed, but Eden Gross. And then you get the 2 pins. We get the more rarer one. And then the comic book. And the t-shirt from Psycho. And you could have got a metallic Easter egg. I still haven't gotten one of these Easter eggs. That one is pretty cool. I love the design of that one. That was sick. But that's about it. And not least, you're amazing. Thank you for the support, JR, who's CEO of Zobie. He always puts like thank you cards in his boxes for ordering them. So yeah, that's very cool. Thank you so much for this box. This is JR. I know I buy them, but still, like, this is awesome. I'm gonna always support this guy. This guy does an amazing job on these boxes, and it's my favorite, well, like, I've ever, like, had at a subscription box. It's a lot of ones that are like, to me, you know? So, make sure you check out shopzobie.com and pick your next one up. These guys come out on, like, you know, if you have them on Facebook, the Zobie Collector Community, you get a heads up on when they are gonna come out with the box, and you can pre-order it, and then, you know, so you secure your order so before they sell out, because that's the best way to do it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit you up in the next one, and like and subscribe if you're new. We will do more of these because I love them. So 10 out of 10, JR, and the Zobie community. See you guys later. Bye-bye.